Hello all, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to see what a lake house is and how to create a lake house in Fabric. So before data lake house, we used to have data warehouses and data lakes as primary architectures for the companies. Data warehouses are specifically for structured data, whereas data lakes is a cheaper alternative where we could store structured, semi-structured and unstructured data. It's almost like a external hard disk for companies in cloud. Amazon S3 buckets, GCP and ADLS Gen 2 in Azure, all these are data lakes where we just dump the data. But the problem with data lake is to get the business insights, again, we used to have warehouses, which is on top of data lakes. So data lake house is an improvement over these two, where it combined the advantages of both data warehouse and data lake, in the sense that the cheaper storage of data lake combined with extracting business insights from data warehouse. It combined both of them by incorporating something called a metadata and governance layer on top of data lake. And with the help of that, we could get the business insights, we could do data science, machine learning, everything from data lake. So that is about data lake house. Overall, Lakehouse is the data architecture that combines the best of data lakes and data warehouses. Fabric Lakehouse is built on top of one lake, which is Microsoft's data lake in Fabric, to store the data. Now, we could store both files, raw files, and delta tables in Fabric Lakehouse. So there are two key components in Fabric Lakehouse. One is the files and the other is tables. The tables are delta format, which support the asset transactions, time travel, schema evolution, and it is open format. Now let's look at how we could create a lakehouse in Fabric. So I'm back here on the Fabric landing page. I'm going to workspaces. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm pinning this workspace to the top so that it is accessible to me. I'm clicking on that workspace and we are here. Click on new item. You could search in the search bar Lakehouse and you could see this and click it. Give the name of the lakehouse. I'm calling it source LH, which is for source lakehouse, and we are here. So this is the lakehouse. Here we could see the name of the lake house. We could rename the name of it if you want. And now if you look here at the left navigation pane, now we could see two tabs. One is for the workspace, one is for this lake house. We could navigate between these two just by clicking either of them. If you click here, we'll go to the workspace, and if you click here, we are inside the lake house. So we have two folders here. One is tables, one is files. Now this files folder is for storing our data, the raw files like CSVs, JSON, structured, unstructured, whatever it is, we'll store here. Now these raw files can be converted into delta tables just by clicking two buttons. I'll show you how to do that in the next video. So in the next video, we'll upload some data into these files and convert them into delta tables. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.